everyone, this is Alpna and today I will explain MCQs on postfix, prefix, increment and decrement operators. Let's just start with our first question. So in the first question, they are asking what will be the J value. So as we can see this is a pre-increment operation. So let's just start. So I value is equals to 5. So here the I value is equals to 5. And first of all, in this expression, we will evaluate this one as the first one and then this is as the second one. So one thing to be noted, whenever there is pre-increment or a pre-decrement, so perform all the increment and decrement together before the assignment. So first of all, we will increment the 5 to be the 6. When 5 is to be incremented with the 6, then again we will not assign it to here, but there is another pre-increment also there. So we will first increment it. After this, we can see that there is no another pre-increments are there. Now we will assign this 7 value to this as well as to this. So finally we will get the value of J as a 14. 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. So our answer is equals to 14. So the next question. This is also of the same pattern. What will be the J value? So this is also, as we can see, this is also a pre-increment. This is also pre-increment and this is also pre-increment. So one thing to be noted, I am repeating it again, that is whenever we want to perform pre-increment or pre-decrement, perform all the increment or decrement together before assignment. So here I is equals to 5, we will put the value of I as a 5. After this 5, we will increment the, first of all we will go here and then we will increment the value of I to be 6. We can't assign it here because there is more pre-increment operations are to be needed to perform. So 6 will be incremented to 7. Second operation. For this also it is going to be incremented. So 8. So after this there is no other pre-increment operations are there. So now we can assign the values to all these. So here also we will assign the value to be 8. Here also we will assign the value to be 8. And here also we will assign the value to be 8. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 24. So J value is equals to 24. So our answer is 24. So next question. What is the value of J? So here as we can see this is a pre-increment and this is pre-decrement operation. So whenever there is pre-increment or decrement, perform the increment or decrement first before all the assignment. After that only you will assign. So I is equals to 5. So we put the I value to be 5. Now first this expression will be evaluated, then second this one. So first of all we will increment the I value. So I value is to be incremented to 6. Now is there any other pre-increment or decrement? Yes, there is another pre-decrement operation. So first of all we will decrement this value to be 5. After this there is no other pre-increment or decrement. Then we will assign this I value to both of this one. So first of all we will assign it to here 5 and then again we will assign it to here 5. So J value is equals to 10. So J value is equals to 10. So our answer is 10. Next question. This question, what is the value of J? So I is equals to 5, J. Okay. Now J is equals to, as we can see it here, as in this, there is decrement operator, increment operator, it is post increment and post increment. Both are post increment and post increment. So whenever there is a post increment, complete operation individually. Okay. So I value is equals to 5. So here the I value is equals to 5. Now what is this? It is post decrement. Sorry, it's a post increment. So when it is post increment, we will first assign the value and then we will increment. So we will assign the value of I to be 5 here and then we will increment this value. Whenever it is post increment or decrement, we will first assign the value and then increment or decrement, and in this operation is performed individually. So 6 is incremented. Now this 6 value is to be placed here. After this we will increment the value of I. So now the total j value is equals to 5 plus 6, that is 5 plus 6 is the j value, which is equals to 11. So our answer is 11. Okay. So next question. What is j value? In this we can find both pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment, post-decrement. Okay. So see here. So first of all, whenever it is the case, prefix is given more priority than the postfix. Prefix is given more priority than postfix. Okay. So in this question, how we will evaluate the things. So this is pre-increment, this is pre-decrement, this is post-increment and post-increment and post-decrement. Okay. So first of all the increment will take place because the priority is given to increment, pre-increment. So first of all pre-increment will take place. So 5 will be converted to 6. So this is 5 and 5 will be converted to 6. So 6. Is there any other pre-increment or pre-decrement? Yes, there is another pre-decrement. So its value is decremented. Okay, its value is decremented. After this, is there any other pre-increment or decrement? No. Now the value is to be assigned. So here also 5 is to be assigned and here also 5 is to be assigned. After this is also 5 is to be assigned because this is post increment. In post increment we perform the operation individually. So first assignment will take place and then the increment will take place. Now 5 will be incremented to 6. Now again it is post increment. So first assignment will take place and then the increment will take place. Okay. So now it is converted to 7. Now after this there is a post decrement. So whenever post decrement, first assign that value. We will assign here the value of 7 and after that we will decrement it to the 6. So what's our final value is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21 and 21 plus 7 is equals to 28. So our answer is 28. Now next question. Now, what is the I and j value? Okay, so in this we can find that this is a pre-increment, this is also pre-increment, this is post-increment and this is post-increment. So prefix is always giving a higher priority than postfix. Okay, but in this question we can find that LHS value and RHS value variables both are same. LHS variable and RHS variable both are same. So in this case, when RHS is also having the same variable than LHS, then while doing the postfix operation assignment, then do assignment everywhere. I will tell you how. So first of all, I will be there. Okay. So I is equals to 5. Okay. I is to be 5 here. Now, first of all, we will do the pre-increment. Okay. So 5 will be incremented to 6. Now we will see that is there any other pre-increment or pre-decrement? Yes, this is on the pre-increment. So again we will increment this one. Okay. After this one we will see that any other pre-increment or decrement? No. There is no other pre-increment or decrement. So now this value is to be assigned everywhere. Here also, here also, and here also, and here also. Why here also? Because the same variable is in the left hand side as well as right hand side. That's why we will assign it to everywhere. Now 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 28. Now I value is to be converted to 28. Now I value is to be assigned to 28. Now after this, these two operations we are left with. This operation and this operation. Means we had not incremented this and we had not incremented this. So after this we will perform this operation, means this increment will take place. So 28 will be incremented to 29. After 29 again this operation is left. So 29 will be incremented to 30. So now final value of I is equals to 30. So now 30 will be assigned to here. So first J is there and I is there. Okay. So whenever the J, so this is about the postfix increment. So postfix increment, first assignment will take place and then increment will take place. So first of all, the I value is assigned to J, that is 30 will be assigned to J. After this, I value will be incremented. So I is incremented to 31. So our I value is 31 and J value is 30. Now next question, and this is our last question. So what is the output of the following code? So remember one thing, printf always evaluates from the right to left, but it prints from left to right. Evaluation is done from the right to left and printing is done from the left to right. So I is equals to 5. So here the I value is equals to 5. After this 5 value will be assigned to here, like 5 is assigned to be here. Okay. Now plus plus I, it's a pre-increment. So whenever it is a pre-increment, first the I value will be incremented. I value is incremented to 6. Now 6 is assigned to be here. After this is a post increment. So whenever there is a post increment, first assignment will take place. Means 6 will be assigned to be here. So 6, after this the increment will take place to 7. So what is the printing? This will come to be here and this to be come to be here. So printing will be 6, 6 and 5. So our answer is 6, 6 and 5. That's it. Thank you so much.